Hello everyone and welcome back to the StilograficaMente channel, where the mind turns to beauty. Here we have a parcel that comes from Vivan Art and Craft, which is located in Jodhpur, or you can find them on Instagram with their account A Store of Eastern Art and History. So let's see what this parcel contains, because I'm not sure. Okay, I have to be assured because it's security checked, but other than this, I'm not sure that the article, that I know the article. I should know, because nowadays I'm not ordering so much stuff on the internet, even if there is the Black Friday. Today is the 25th of November 2023. While I'm recording this, I think that it will be online on this evening or night. Okay, so the parcel is very robust, and there is a bubble wrap inside, so I think, oh yes, finally. This is an article that was tempting me on eBay for such a long time. I succeeded to make a good offer that was accepted from them, and here we go. A glass inkwell with this brownish orangish color that should preserve better the ink inside. And this is a vintage model, and the closing works very well. Also, I think that the closure is very, not an hermetic one, but some sort of, it's quite very good. So with this article, I will be no longer bothered about mixing inks in their inkwell. So if the color which is here is mixed with a not properly washed fountain pen, please don't do it at your home. But if I'm lazy, in a period of laziness, and I don't want to clean very radically the fountain pen, and I want to pick up some usual blue ink, or I don't know, probably orange one, because it's lovely. It's a glass, lovely glass inkwell. I think this is not bronze, maybe not copper. I don't know. But hey, it's a very good article. I'm very satisfied about this. The parcel arrived in time, so thank you for the service, guys. You have done well. The bubble wrap succeeded to preserve the integrity of the inkwell, and now I have a vintage inkwell. So to make some experiments and to put in my dip pen. Thank you guys for following my channel. If you are interested in every sort of videos regarding fountain pens, dip pens, colors, inks, inkwell, or papers, please subscribe, come on board, and you will follow me in a very, very long trip, very interesting one in beauty. Thank you, and have a lovely writing session. Bye bye.